Ahojte, moje meno je Paťo a týmto by som chcel spustiť sériu videí prípravy na NPC súťaže a boj o IFBB Pro kartu. Aktuálne som v objemovej fáze, ktorá bude ešte trvať nejaký mesiac a potom by sme to rovno preklopili do prípravy, do diety a súťaže budeme chystať cca na nejaký október, to sa ešte prebere s trénerom. Aktuálne sa držím cca okolo tých 107 kg, cieľ mám aspoň tých 108 do konca tej objemovky, ale jak sa hovorí, že žiadne sračky. No uvidíme, jak to vlastne celé sa ukončí. Dneska si pôjdeme ukázať tréning push, takže aby to bol kvalitný tréning, tak si tu chystám pretréningovku. Vždycky je to nejaký freestyle, ale momentálne mám túto pretréningovku od značky Amix a k tomu si iba dohadzujem nejaký arginín, citrulín, karnitín. A ešte k tým doplnkom vždycky pred tréningom mám nachystanú vodu, v ktorej je 60 gramov cyklického dextrínu a cca 15 gramov esenciálnych aminokyselín. Tak, na zdravie. Takže ako som už spomínal, dneska si dáme tréning push, čo znamená, že hrudník, ramena a triceps. A ako prvý cvik pôjdeme si dať upažky na stoj. Nie zo začiatku si tam dám radšej viacej rozcvičovacích, kým sa dostanem k tým pracovným, ale jazdím systémom na dve pracovné série, top set a back off set.
Gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, you're gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, you never wanted more. I'm supposed to be your boyfriend, but it's a chore. Why you fucking rude? I know you wanna make it, but why does that make you cool? Tell her you don't love her, you couldn't make it, dude. Cause you don't need a...
Ramená by boli rozohriaté, predpripravené na ten hrudník, takže ideme na to. Ako prvý cvik pôjdeme hammer, incline, takže ideme si troška zatlakovať na tie vrchné cecky. Dneska budeme potrebovať do sťahovačku, lebo ma trošku jebe lakeť, tak nech sa to troška spevní. Takže nic sme nesmrteľní.
Out if you just wanna be a G. They hate to be alone, but it's exactly what they need. So tell these motherfuckers they can get it when I leave. I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be your boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with all these other chicks. I don't wanna get involved with any of the shit.
Prechádzame na prvú pracovnú sériu, takže na ten top set. Ideme na to.
Gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, you're gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, you never wanted more. I'm supposed to be your boyfriend, but it's a chore. Where you fucking been? I know you wanna know, but I can't tell you till the end. I know I gotta make it in, I fake it to pretend. Cause fuck all of the hating that you say.
Aktuálne v objemovej fáze mám cca nejakých 5200 kalórií. Takže je to celkom číslo už, ale tak je to treba. Splňa to svoju robotu a uvidíme, na akej váhe skončím na konci.
say it's in my head. I know you want us naked, let's just say it's just pretend. I know you want me famous, let's just say this is the end. I know you feel me, baby, let's just hit it once again. I don't want to share, I don't want to be your boyfriend or other shit. I don't want to get involved without these other chicks. I don't want to get involved.
Takže teraz nasleduje flat press, ale ideme hore na stroj. A nič. Nasleduje ďalší cvik. Teraz si tam dáme jednu rozcvičovaciu a pôjdeme aj na tú pracovnú. Ja osobne mám určite radšej izolované cviky, lebo sa viem viac zamerať na tú danú partiu. Každý určite to, čo preferuje, určite to treba striedať, či voľnú váhu, či izolované cviky, ale hlavná je technika.
I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on a gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay, turning this shit to a brand.
Ideme si dať rozpašky na kladkách, len si to tu musíme troška upraviť.
Now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business. Building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness. Dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time. Y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up. See you niggas on decline. Blowing up like a landmine. Your career need a lifeline. Work ethic ain't like mine. Pray to God start seeing signs. Try to pull up in the I-8. You wanna ride but it's too late. Showing me love but it's all fake. Deep inside know it's all hate. I cannot lose in this mind state. My timing is now and they can't wait. Don't know what's to come like a blind date. Just putting that work and we all straight. Great.
What you know about a nigga getting off late? Only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. What you know about a nigga getting off late? Only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. I'm a Salisbury below 27, nigga. I got money in my blood, I can't contain it, nigga. I'm on my business shit and I ain't that pertain niggas. I've been too distant with you, but I ain't finished with you. I put that on my mama, not too many people solid. I was highly doubted, now I'm highly scouted. I made my own moves, found some ways around it. I impressed a few women, got them all astonished. I'm whatever defines a dynasty, like designers, but I'm modest. If you know me where I'm from, then I'm a killer in disguise. Well, who rides on the riders on 49s and 49ers? So I come with 40 problems, 40 answers in the clip. Let the ass up when they dip, young nigga ballin' out the gym. And I've been speeding in the fin, hope a crash don't be my end.
Na 20-ky.
Nigga praying for the win, ayy. What you know about a nigga getting off late? Only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. I remember times when I...
Volá, čo tam je. Volá, čo tam je.
Aspoň volačo za tie roky.
ain't have a dime. Now I'm shipping them packs through FedEx all the time. I don't
It's a price on my head, I stay out of sight. If I move wrong, then I die tonight. I stay with all my shooters, they wanna earn their stripes. Little niggas killing, yeah, they want it right. I stay with all my shooters in case the price is right. A nigga getting off late, only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. What you know about a nigga getting off late? Only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. Nigga, stop fucking playing with me, you heard me? I'm in my bag.
Oh God, DC, 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 oh God,
Takže toto bol môj tréning push a týmto videom by som chcel vlastne povedať, že určite budú vznikať ďalšie videá ohľadom či tréningov, či stravy, alebo všeobecne ako športovca, kulturistiky. Takže máte sa určite na čo tešiť a díky za podporu.